They say Rome wasn't built in a day, but I tell you what, you can certainly walk around it in a day, and today I'll be showing you the top 5 attractions in this wonderful city they call Rome. This is a glorious way to start, isn't it? That's not me to toot in it, but that's okay. What a wonderful spectacle. Behold the Trevi Fountain. And of course, it was erected on the site of an ancient Roman water source built in the 1700s, around 1730, 1735 of course, and it's built from travertine stone. It's 85 feet tall, it's 65 feet wide. It's magnificent. They say around €3,000 a day is thrown into this wonderful water source. And of course, it's illegal to steal it. All those proceeds, the €3,000, goes to charity. Here's another look at this wonderful, wonderful piece. The Trevi Fountain. And of course, just a short walk away, probably 6 to 7 minutes, is the Pantheon. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. That is amazing. The funny thing is they don't actually know who built it, but they do know that it was built around 27 to 25 BC. And of course, that original building wouldn't be recognised today. It's been sculpted to perfection time and time again after earthquakes and the likes. But what a wee beauty. Of course, the Pantheon means or translates to all worshipping or all gods. So absolutely stunning structure. Let's get a close-up. Beautiful. Lots of humans around. You've got to be human to be human. But wow, look at that. And all its glory. The Pantheon. Not a bad drop either. Not a bad drop at all. Buongiorno to the Piazza Navona and all its spectacle and glory. Now, of course, I don't know too much about that wonderful Piazza Navona, but it's all about the piazza in general, this whole square here. And I tell you what, any city, major city in the world would be very, very happy to have such a wonderful, wonderful pinnacle in their city. And I tell you what, it is glorious. Absolutely glorious. Let's have a look at the big boy close up. Hopefully he's covering his whatnots. And just in awe of the gods. Pigeon up there too. Wonderful stuff. The water flows. Plenty going on. Just wonderful. The Piazza Navona. Now, of course, a lot of people forget about the river that runs through Rome, the Tibia River, and it's splendid, absolutely splendid, with a wonderful array of bridges as well. But look at it down there as the leaves fall off these wonderful trees, and the bridges give people just a little bit more access to the Vatican City. And that's where we're heading next, to see the wonderful St. Peter's Basilica. And look at that. Not a great colour, no, but people out jogging right down through there, and it's just glorious and wonderful at the same time, I tell you. Splendid. And there he is in all his spectacular glory. St. Peter's Basilica. Wonderful stuff. Of course, this is the Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, home to the Pope and Christianity. And of course, if you get a chance to come in here, there are hordes of people, as you can see right now, but get a chance to see Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel and just get up there and look at those walls and smell them. It's real art, I tell you. But there it is in all its glory, St. Peter's Basilica. Glorious! And here, of course, is the pinnacle, the Colosseum, one of the 7th wonders of the world. And of course, it's 189 metres long, 156 metres wide, and astonishing 50 metres tall. Unbelievable. Of course, this is built from travertine stone as well, and it's just a wonder, a natural wonder. Not a natural wonder, a 7th wonder of the world, and that is just a wonder to be seen. A picture paints 1,000 words. A picture can show all of the hordes of tourists as well. So happy days. We see the magnificent little laneways.
No. Ale tak jak on
Prius?